everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sahar and today we're going to be talking about the holiday uploads and all the new uploads and all the new releases this week and maybe last week too. So if you want to see what I am planning to put on my wish list for you to buy for me, I'm just joking, but yeah, like seriously. So if you'd like to see what I'm interested in, then please keep on watching. Before anything else, hi, my name is Sahar. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and please also hit that bell to be notified when I upload. And yeah, let's just get on to the video. If you want to see how I achieved this look, I did use the Kathleen Light's Zodiac palette with Colourpop, and I will be linking that video down below, the tutorial down below if it's already up. But most likely it's not yet because I'm going to be uploading this one first, maybe. Well, anyway, let's just get on to the video, shall we? Look at that. It's my unicorn. We're going to go on trend mood because that's where all the trends are. The first is by Too Faced. They are releasing their gingerbread spice eyeshadow palette. Oh, I want this so badly. It's adorable. I love the colors. I love that pink. I love that gold. This palette it's amazing to me. I love this palette already and I want it so badly. The swatches are amazing. The palette packaging is amazing, and they say it smells like gingerbread. Oh my gosh. So yes, definitely on my wish list. I'm definitely sending that to my sister. The next one is a new highlighter by Becca Cosmetics and Hattises Schmidt. So sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. If you know how to pronounce your name, please correct me in the comments down below. So Hattises Schmidt, she's a YouTuber, and ooh, so the highlighter looks beautiful, but I don't really own anything from Becca Cosmetics except their skin finishing primer, which was gifted to me. So Becca Cosmetics just really has really expensive products. It's a very interesting, beautiful highlighter, but I don't really like want it, you know, but it looks like a very beautiful color. Next is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. They discontinued their original Naked palette. It's a beautiful palette, but I have seen some bad swatches, and I'm just like, I don't know. At first, when I first saw it, I was like, yes, but then I saw other swatches and I'm like, before I put this in my wish list, I want to see reviews first. And after seeing the gingerbread spice palette, I mean, I'm sold. Next, Morphe Brushes is sneak peeking a new eyeshadow palette, and I see that yellow. I see you, girl. Is this the revamped Morphe 35B palette? I don't know. I would imagine the 35B to be revamped and not have only that yellow. Like, I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't think it's the 35B revamped, but I'm still hoping and praying that 35B revamped will be coming soon because I'm so excited for that. They discontinued the 35B, so I'm like, they have to have it revamped, right? Next, Huda Beauty is releasing her Huda Beauty Precious Stones eyeshadow palettes, and yes, but I don't only want one of them. I want all of them. If I'm to get a palette from this launch, I want all of them. Order of preference: the green one, the blue one, the purple one, the red one, and then the warm one, because we have so many warm shadows already. Maybelline is releasing their new colors for the Superstay Matte Ink in City Edition Collection 10 NYC. They have new shades, basically. I don't own any of these just because the shades they released first weren't really appealing to me, but these look like they have really good shades. I'm eyeing that blue, oddly enough, and that like magenta, but I don't know yet. We'll see. I want to swatch them first before I commit. But yeah, Maybelline's very affordable, so most likely I'm going to pick something up. Next, Jeffree Star is going to release their Supreme Frost. I'm not going to get it because it's going to be expensive and I want to save for the Blood Sugar. I'm still saving up for the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star, but I'm really curious as to how this will look like and what the formula is, because it's going to be a new formula. It's going to be a gel hybrid, so that's going to be like Supreme Frost. That's a very perfect name. Kylie Cosmetics is releasing, oh, she already released her 28 eyeshadow singles and her first ever Kylie Empty Magnetic Large palette. I love that yellow, I love that pink, I love that blue, but I'm not going to get anything from Kylie just because I prefer to spend my money on Makeup Geek singles, which I know are almost the same price, I believe, if not a little bit more expensive, I'm not sure. If I'm to spend my money on singles, I would want them to be the quality of Makeup Geek. I just trust Makeup Geek singles so much more than Kylie singles. Natasha Denona is releasing the complete palette. I'm sorry, no, it's not the complete palette. It's the complete palette because she was releasing it like per pan or like per 3 pans. So this is the complete look of the palette. This is the Safari palette. I think the Safari palette is very fitting to the name. I mean, the palette seems fitting to the Safari, although I feel like it's just so dark and grungy-ish. I mean, I wish she had more greens and more, gosh, what is that noise outside? More greens, more pops of green, as it is the Safari palette. And the Army Green is amazing. It's just, I'm not going to get this because I feel like it's too dark for me, and I have a very colorful personality. I'm not going to be putting that in my wish list. It's just too grungy for my taste. ColourPop Cosmetics round 2 with Makeup Shayla. I am eyeing her. I love the lippy, the gloss of ColourPop. I have the Moonchild by ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. Absolutely love the Moonchild color. I'm so excited to get Drippin', because that looks like a beautiful nude color as well. Gosh, what are people doing outside? They're playing with cans? Shade. Shade is super pretty. I don't think it's gonna match my skin tone, but I'm really curious to see how shading looks like. So this bundle is gonna be on my wish list, and yeah. Here's another really expensive item that's going on my wish list. Pat McGrath. Why you do this, Pat McGrath? Why you do this? Pat McGrath is releasing her Seduction eyeshadow palette. This is the Mothership 5. The Mothership 5 Seduction Bronze Seduction palette. It is beautiful as usual. Pat McGrath is amazing, but I'm not gonna get it. It's of course going on my wish list, but who's gonna give me a $125 palette? No one. That for sure. I can't justify spending $125 for a palette, even if it is Pat McGrath. $125, that's 1 month's rent in my very small apartment. Definitely going on my wish list, as are all her Mothership palettes, all my wish list. But $125 is just too much. I can't. Maybe one day. Wink, wink, one day. That was an odd wink, I think. I'm not doing that. Fenty Beauty is releasing her Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk and her Diamond Bomb highlighter in How Many Carats? Oh, I love the names. They're so pretty, but I'm not getting anything from Fenty Beauty just because it is, again, a higher price point. Although, if I'm to have one of them in my wish list, I'd rather get the Gloss Bomb because I heard amazing things about that Gloss Bomb and the color looks absolutely beautiful. So that's on my wish list. Urban Decay Cosmetics is releasing their Elements eyeshadow palette. It has 18 new shades and I really like the packaging. I love anything circle. It looks beautiful. It looks very beautiful. But I don't know. I think it's a little underwhelming for me because when I open it up, in my mind, if I think of Elements, I expect there to have more bright shades than this. Or maybe it's just the picture. I don't know. But it looks stunning. It is in my wish list, but it's not up there, you know. But I love the packaging. The packaging is amazing. NARS is releasing some black and red colored products or packaging. It's beautiful. I love black and red for Halloween. So no, I'm not getting anything from NARS. I'm just not interested in any of these. Maybe if I had like a lot of money, I would be. But no, I'm not gonna want anything from NARS. Nothing on my wish list from NARS. Yeah. Stila is releasing some liquid eyeshadow sets, eyeshadow duos, face palette, lots of new products. From all of this, I really want their what's that called, the glitter toppers. Those are my favorite formulas, and I want all of the colors, all of them. I have like 3, Kitten Karma and some others, but I want them all. The last thing I'm going to be talking about on Trend Mood is the Glossier. Is it Glossier? Glossier. They have a zit stick. I don't know if I should get it. I'm not sure. It's 14 bucks, not a bad price I guess for a zit stick, but I'd rather buy the Mario Badescu drying lotion. I mean, I think I'm gonna have to watch reviews before I buy this zit stick, but I prefer the reviews I read and I watch on the Mario Badescu drying lotion. So we'll see. Looks nice though, but we shall see. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Those are the releases for last week or this week, and I can't wait to see what more releases will be coming tomorrow and the next days to come. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sahar. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video if you did. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. What are you purchasing? What are you not buying? Anti-hauls or anything. And yeah, if you want to see the tutorial I did for this look, I will be linking it down below if it's already up, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!